If you have kids that for fun love putting toys and other items into your toilet, as well as you have to deal with other significant toilet clogs that are just too much to manage with a plunger, consider purchasing an auger. For less than $40, you have a device that can clean up also the hardest problems without requiring to call a plumbing expert. The one great idea is to teach your kids and all family members how to turn off the water supply to your toilet and sinks. Kids are infamous for putting huge wads of toilet tissue as well as other things right into the toilets, which, more times than not, leads to the bathroom overflowing. When anyone that uses the bathroom knows how to turn off the water, in the case of a clog in the toilet, they will know that all they have to do is quickly turn off the water supply before it reaches the top of the rim on the toilet and starts to overflow. If you have a hot water heater tank, it is also a great idea to drain the water and collected debris around 2 times a year. This keeps the heater in ideal working condition and will also alert you to any issues that may be starting to happen to it. It is easy to do by hooking up a hose to the main drain hookup on the side of the water heater. Send the other end of the hose to a nearby drain and let the water run out. It might be best to set the heat dial to low or off during the draining. Now, you shouldn't have to drain all the water, mainly the lower sediment section. Prevent plumbing troubles. Don't clog the toilet. Here are some of the more popular things that block a toilet: toys, hair, paper towels, birth control items, and womanly personal items. It is usually not intentional that any of these items or others end up in the toilet, except maybe kids' toys, but these and other items should not be flushed instead of taking them out and throwing them away in the trash. If they happen to be flushed and you have clogs you can't deal with or don't want to, it is a great idea to call in a professional plumber before more damage to pipes can occur. And keep in mind, it's always best to have a well-trained plumbing professional work on your pipes and other plumbing problems. Give us a call now